Welcome back to At Home with Sonia. If you're looking for elegant and easy Easter table decor ideas that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing how to style a beautiful Easter tablescape on a budget using few thoughtful pieces and items I already had at home. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or just want to make your spring table feel a little more special, I hope this gives you some inspiration. I love creating budget-friendly seasonal decor that still feels curated and elevated, and this table is the perfect mix of both. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my seasonal home decor ideas, DIYs, and more. And if you enjoy soft, cozy, and affordable decorating, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Now let me show you how I put this simple and elegant Easter table together. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm setting up my Easter table this year. We're not hosting a big gathering. Normally, my mother-in-law or my mom will host, but this year things are a little different. My parents are traveling, and actually so is my daughter, so my mother-in-law will be joining us at our house. We'll be hosting a small Good Friday dinner, just a setting for four, and I thought it would be lovely to share how I'm decorating our table for the occasion. I started by clearing off the table. There was just a vase sitting on it. If you watched my Easter decorate with me, you might remember what was there before. I swapped everything out and laid down this beautiful patterned blue and white table runner as the base for the whole look. I think it sets such a pretty and fresh tone for spring. Then I popped over to the grocery store to pick up some tulips. I was really hoping to find a multicolored bunch, but this was the only color they had, so I went with it. I placed them in one of my favorite crystal vases. This one is by Mikasa, and it was actually a wedding gift. I don't get to use it often, but since it's clear glass, it doesn't block the view or feel too heavy on the table. So I thought it was perfect for this setup. I also brought out the gold bunnies I DIY'd last week on my DIY channel. I made them with this tablescape in mind, and I love how they look here. Once I had them styled the way I liked, I added in some candlesticks. You might recognize these. They're from Temu, but they were a very bright yellow gold when I first got them. So I gave them a light spray with some antique bronze paint, and I think it toned them down beautifully to fit in better with the rest of my decor. To anchor everything a bit more, I placed a rattan placemat under the vase. I'm also using the same placemats at each place setting. These ones are from Temu as well, though I know Dollarama carries a similar lighter version. I found the Temu ones were a little bit better priced overall. The wine glasses that I'm bringing out are the matching wine glasses that match my fine china, and I like to use them for special occasion as they are a little pricey and very easily breakable. For the plates, I'm bringing out my fine china. This set was also a wedding gift from my husband's grandmother, and I always love using it when we're celebrating something special. I started with the dinner plate and then added a small blue decorative plate I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's just a one-time use plate, but I thought it was so pretty. I ended up layering another small plate before I added the flower plate on top just to give the plate setting a bit more depth and interest. For napkins, I'm using these soft pink pattern ones that I actually thrifted. They still had the tags on them when I found them. I probably should have steamed them so they're not so wrinkly, but they're so lovely and delicate, just perfect for Easter. The napkin rings match the placemats and they also came from Temu. They're very simple but tie everything together nicely. The cutlery is another special touch. It was a wedding gift from my aunt who lives in Europe. She sent it over when we got married, and I love bringing it out for special occasions. I did go ahead off camera and style the rest of the place settings the same way. As a final touch, I added these beautiful pink candles from Dollar Tree. They match the napkins perfectly, and I love the soft detail on them. Everything came together in such a simple, budget-friendly way. You really don't have to use fancy dishes or spend a lot to make your table feel festive and inviting. If you prefer a more neutral look, you could easily swap out the pink candles and napkins for white or linen ones. Paired with white candles, it would look just as beautiful and timeless. And even with everything set, there's still plenty of room to bring out the food if I decided to serve at the table, or I might just set everything up buffet style and have everyone sit down and enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you're hosting this year and what are some of your favorite dishes to prepare for Easter. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Wishing you a beautiful Easter season, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.